Hello there. Here's a quick one for Premiere newcomers who might be wondering how they can loop their playback, because as you probably know, when you press the spacebar, your sequence timeline will play from start to the end and then stop. Well, it's really easy. If you can see this loop playback button here, you give it a click, and then, as you can see, you press space, it plays from start to the end and loops round and around again. However, if you can see this button, there's a good chance you're not actually watching this video in the first place. So, what do you do if you can't see that button? Well, that's pretty simple as well. You go over and click on this little plus sign here, that's the button editor, and what you get to see is a whole bunch of really interesting goodies, and this is the one we are interested in, so we're going to take that out, drag and drop it down there, and yay, away we go, loops around again. And you can also do the same thing with your source panel. So if I have a look at one of these ones right here and open it up in that one, you've also got this same little widget, look, and I can go ahead and give that one a click, and I can locate the same thing and bada, drop it down there, and then this time that one will play and loop back to the beginning as well. Another one that you probably want to know about is, looping within a couple of set points. So that's useful on longer sequences. So let me just find somewhere I might want to loop around. Let's pick, say, let's go from there. So you move the playhead to where you want the playback to begin, and you press the letter I, and that sets the in point. By the way, any shortcuts I mention I'll include in the description below as well. Then you're going to take the playhead to where you want it to loop to, I should say. And you press O to set the out point, and then when you press space, hey presto, it's going to play round and around between your in and out points. And finally, just give you a couple of shortcuts that you might find useful. SHIFT+I will take you to your in point, and to think about that one for a minute, SHIFT+O will take you to your out point, and then depending on whether you're on Windows or Mac, on Windows you can use Ctrl+Shift+X, which will clear your in and outs, and on the Mac that would be Cmd+Shift+X, and that's really all there is to it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.